These results might surprise you, so be sure to watch to the end just to see how well this battery matches up to its advertised power. Guess what? Red Odo, which I talked about on several of my Black Friday shopping videos, they sent me a 50 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery that they wanted me to do a test of. It weighs about 18 pounds. I put it on the scale inside. It is a Group 35 sized battery. Now, I would love to have something like this in a battery box, but Mike, K8MRD, and I have been looking around because I asked him to build me a battery box with one of those really new, high-quality battery boxes he's building for people. And guess what? We can't find a battery box large enough to hold this, plus like a solar charge controller and a few other things. This is a weird-sized battery for a box. So if anyone knows about a battery box that'll fit a Group 35 size battery, let me know. But this is Red Odo, and I'm going to turn it around here. Just like that, so we can see it in this other camera over here. So this is it. Obviously, it's made in China. Special thanks to these guys for sending me this. There are discount codes available for this battery and everything on their website, which I will put in the description. So it's got regular screw top connectors for it, so it does not have blade connectors on the top or power poles on the top. It's got these screws that come with it. These plastic covers, these red and black plastic covers here, those come with the battery. So you got to get like some sort of ring terminals or something to go on here. And of course, I just have this cable that goes ring terminal to power pole. Perfect, right? Okay, good. So let's plug this up to the West Mountain Radio software and see what we see. This video is made possible by redodopower.com. Shop their website, which is full of larger batteries made for multitudes of uses in the outdoor world, and save a 3% discount with the coupon code of HAMRadio2. That's redodopower.com with the coupon code of HAMRadio2. Okay, wow. They were not lying. They were not lying. They were incredibly serious about it rating closer to 60 than 50. In fact, they sort of missed the mark a little bit because they were a little low. So after the results of this test, you can see right here that we started to drop off right around this mark, dropped down below 12 volts, and then shot pretty much down. Once it hit 11 volts and it dropped, which is what the BMS, the battery management system, should do. This comes in at a rating of 65.979 amp hours. Measured time in watt hours is 855 watt hours. So that is great. That is great. It comes in at 65 watt hours. And this is what did I say? Group 35 sized battery. And I've had other Group 35 sized batteries. Gigaparts makes PO4, their PO4 power. They make a Group 35 sized battery. And it comes in right around 98-99% efficiency rating. You'll see a video on that later. But wow, 65 amp hours on this sucker. I'm impressed. If you go check out the redodopower.com website, they have a lot of really good, their prices on their batteries are fantastic. The smallest battery I see is this 50 amp hour right here. And they have 100, 200, 300, and 400 amp hour batteries and 12 volt. They've got some 24 amp hour battery. Really impressed with that. Really impressed with that. Search YouTube for other channels that have done power tests on these batteries. And I actually weighed this thing earlier, and it weighs about 18 pounds. So now, 18 pounds is a lot of weight, but for a 50, what's rated at 50, but actually 65 amp hour battery, that's great. Put a comment below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to use the coupon code of HAMRadio2 to save a 3% discount at their website. You can get these on Amazon also, and I might share those links below. But let me know what you think in the comments below about this battery. If you're in the market for this size of battery, put a comment below and let me know what brand you've tried or what brand you've been looking at. And maybe I'll go grab one of those and do a test with it next time. 73.